Hello cadets, welcome back. Today we're talking about one of the oldest cryptocurrencies out there, Whitecoin. Full disclosure, this video is sponsored by Whitecoin, which is now available to trade live on Bittrex Global. First launched in 2014, the project was originally abandoned by its unknown creator, but the community took over the project a few years ago, and now it is a thriving open source project with a long-term roadmap. Whitecoin is a public blockchain with cross-chain capabilities utilizing its multi-tunnel blockchain communication protocol. It has decentralized mining pools, 6-second blocks, and a smart contract platform with the potential to grow a large cross-blockchain ecosystem. Join me as we learn more about this ever-evolving cryptocurrency called Whitecoin. I'm Captain Crypto, and welcome to Cryptonauts. There are several notable features of Whitecoin's blockchain ecosystem. First is the Whitecoin's new multi-funnel McDouble cheeseburger. I mean, the multi-tunnel blockchain communication protocol, which allows for easy cross-chain functions like sending Bitcoin or Ethereum across the Whitecoin network using the WAMP token. When a user initiates a cross-chain transaction, let's say between Ethereum and Bitcoin, Whitecoin creates a tunnel that secures and confirms the cross-chain transaction and issues or destroys corresponding WAMP tokens. Second is the random proof of stake protocol that quickly produces 6-second blocks compared to 17 seconds for an Ethereum block and 10 minutes for a Bitcoin block. Another innovative feature is the 100% reserve ratio, meaning the Whitecoin ecosystem keeps a real original chain asset. All assets are placed in a hot or cold wallet, which are managed by the RPOS consensus mechanism. Each time a user deposits or withdraws a cross-chain asset, the Whitecoin network guarantees that no asset will be added or removed without proper procedures. Whitecoin will also allow for complex cross-chain transactions using smart contracts. Users will be able to trade and purchase multiple assets in one order. Bitcoin, watch out, Whitecoin's coming for you. Whitecoin also has a multi-year 4-phase plan with version 3 of their proof of stake happening within a few weeks. As you can see, the Whitecoin team is focused on the ever-evolving technological advancement of the Whitecoin ecosystem. To learn more about this project, go to whitecoin.info, link in the description. Please give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this episode and subscribe for more great videos. Remember, HODL, secure crypto, and may Satoshi and Vitalik be with you always.